Hey guys, Jesse Hilmandolar with TREBEL. And today we're going to go over our version and our variation of the down dog hold. So we have Zane here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get him into a nice good push-up position. We might call this the front leaning rest position. And some of the key points here are that abs are all nice and tight. Go ahead and splay your shoulder blades out here, Zane. Nice and hollow. There you go. Good. If we want to take a look at his hands, really important that he's gripping the floor, fingers are splayed out as wide as he can, and then we're trying to get external rotation of his shoulder joint here. So if you look at these elbow pits, go ahead and relax for a second, and then he's going to try to bring those forward, really trying to get these back muscles good and fired up. Not necessarily the upper trap muscles, really these back muscles. Now to get into this down dog hold position, Zane's going to go ahead and drop his chest, shoot his butt into the air. And this is where it gets a little bit wonky. We do not care about the hamstrings down. This isn't a yoga down dog hold. What we're trying to use this for is to lead up to getting inverted on the hands in the form of like a handstand. So if we look at hips, shoulders, elbows, and wrists, pretty much in a straight line. This is like a nice good pike position. Later on, right, so right now we're looking at, okay, wrist mobility. Is he getting his back muscles good and fired up? Eventually, what we're looking at is same positioning on the ground with his hands, but he's just going to raise his legs up in the form of like a box, a 6-inch box, a 12-inch box, until we get into a pike position. So from this position right here, what would happen is Zane's hips would come over his wrist, his feet would be right here, nice good 90-degree angle. But this is the beginner entry-level portion to start getting used to getting inverted and getting a little bit of the load into your hands. Later on, we'll start talking about different progressions to build up eventually to a handstand. But in review, really important that we have the connectivity with the ground, gripping, wide, splayed out fingers, nice good external rotation right here in the back. Focusing here on the back muscles. We really don't care about the lower body here. Try it out, let me know how it goes.